Okay, guys. So before we start today's episode, we all wanted to first come out and say that we stand in absolute solidarity with all comedians. The last 2 days have been a little weird for a lot of different reasons. I'm sure all you guys already know about it, read about it enough. So we're not going to get into that. We just want to take this opportunity to request all our fans, people who watch videos in general, to please refrain from threats of sexual and physical violence. Nothing warrants that sort of behavior. Nothing warrants those kind of threats. Least of all a joke. So this is a humble request from all of us. If you hear of people who are doing this, if any of your friends are doing something like this, I request all you guys to please stop it. You have no idea the effect it has on people. And I mean, guys, if y'all want to add anything.
I just it gets to a point where you're just like you're tired of reporting the accounts, because after a while there's only so many that you can report, and then and honestly not even it's your parents that get involved. I have not looked up my hashtag as much as my mother has right now. So it's such a weird situation and I'm like telling my mom not to see, because like she doesn't know how to handle this shit.
I also think that the one mistake we end up making a lot, and I don't know if it's a mistake because um, uh, I don't know what to call it really. The one thing that I feel is that I also think that we shouldn't be giving credence to the people who abuse and to the
Yeah.
people who, put out these videos. And by credence, I mean, the more you share it, the more views they end up getting. The more we take their names, the more popular they sort of tend to get in that vile, um, mentality that we have. And so I think that by all means, go ahead and report the account. Get as many people as you can to report the account, but just don't share it, don't make it entertainment, because that's what they're looking for. So I think that that's something that we should keep in mind.
It's some horrible form of validation that they're getting. I don't know what it is.
No, and to be fair though, like you see all of these kinds of people. We don't want to name them, but they're all offshoots of a certain person who we ourselves have spoken about on the podcast, right? And although we don't agree or support that person's views, I think we were also wrong in sort of even talking about it, and that's something we are going to learn and we are going to take care of in the future. And I mean, by all means, go ahead and criticize our content. Be it any comedian, any sort of artist, any creative professional. If you don't like their work, by all means, leave a comment saying that you didn't like the work. Give constructive feedback. Stop watching them, unfollow them.
And people putting clips and things out of context without understanding the ramifications of where the context is coming from, where the joke is going to. In most cases, the joke isn't even about what they've said.
Yeah, like in this case.
Just because you mentioned somebody's name doesn't necessarily make the joke about that person. So I mean, just taking clips out of context, reading that, just try to. And I know a lot of our fans aren't like that. In fact, they're the ones who show us a lot of love and like our stuff. And I've been getting DMs, and I'm sure everybody's getting DMs because comedians have said that please share the love.
Yeah, big thank you
for that.
Thank you so much, guys.
Who's left an encouraging comment, a supportive comment. It really does make us feel good. And yeah, I mean, we were initially not going to do today's episode, right? We weren't going to shoot, keeping in mind everything that's happened. But I think the show has to go on. We are going to continue doing comedy, entertain you guys, all of us, the entire fraternity. But yeah, I mean, just refrain from like abusive, threatening, like physical and sexual violence, please. It's absolutely uncalled for, and nothing in this world warrant somebody to hear all of those things. So
let's not put like any of your feelings of anything don't come above a person's life and their dignity. Okay. So that's a really important thing to keep in mind, and also realize that comedians are not malignantly trying to say anything about anybody. We're always going for the joke. Sometimes it may not be to your liking, and you're free to express yourself, but there is that this thing of threshold of physical and sexual violence that you should not threaten or attempt to do. So that's all we want to say.
And with what happened recently, with the said person, don't even want to mention his name. I feel I just hope that will be a deterrent to other people who've engaged in that sort of behavior. If you come across any of these profiles behaving in such a way, I think you should go ahead and report that person.
Yeah, report them. Don't give
please.
them the credence that they need.
Yeah.
But that's all we wanted to say. Thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you so much for being amazing, and thank you so much. I mean, even I'm happy about this. So, the most
You made
cynical
Baba
person-
happy, so that's a big
yeah.
deal.
So thank you so much for all of this. But it's time to start.
Hold up.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Said So, a show where we take random discussions, upset facts, and trivia, and personal stories, and we talk about it. And today's episode is on the weirdest sports that are currently in existence or have been. We'll see basis what the internet says about it. So
The internet is a great place for this stuff.
for information. So firstly, I think before we go into actual weird sports that are there, I think we ourselves as Indians have invented quite a few of them, right?
Yeah.
Like every version of cricket that can ever be played,
Yeah.
right? एक तो ब्रिटिशर्स ने नॉर्मल बताया, लेकिन हम लोग ने ये भी बताया कि स्कूल में नोटबुक लेके बॉल को with a paper that is crushed together in the form of a ball, उसको बॉल बना के हम लोग क्रिकेट खेला है. तुम लोग ने वैसा खेला है कि नहीं?
हाँ, हम
Bro,
लोग-
you know what book cricket really is?
अरे
The
of
book
course.
cricket the book cricket you have played is
Yeah.
actually still requires skill.
Using the book.
The book cricket that I have played has required you to turn to a page number.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So wait,
Uh,
what book cricket you thought we
Where
were
you
playing?
actually took a book and hit the ball
हाँ,
on paper.
हम लोग का एक notebook
No,
होता
no,
था
we
जो खरीद के खाली
played
ball
book
बनाने के लिए
cricket
रखते थे.
also.
हाँ.
That's what I'm
Ah.
saying. Like we played every version of cricket, right? तू बैट
Yeah,
बॉल
yeah.
के साथ खेल, तू नोटबुक और पेपर
Dude,
क्रश
तू
करके
ये
खेल.
वाला किया है जिसमें बैट नहीं है और फिर ये हाथ तेरा
Yeah,
ball है,
yeah.
तेरा
Yeah.
हाथ तेरा
हाँ.
बैट है ऐसा नहीं
हाथ.
है, bro.
Any
Bro, उसके
appendage.
बाद फ्रेंच क्रिकेट जिसमें
French
एक हाथ
cricket.
पीछे इधर है, which is a
Ah.
combination of French cricket and another popular game that for some reason older Indian kids invented so they could whack the younger Indian kids, and that is Abu Dhabi.
No, Abadubi, not
Abadubi.
अरे I know
यार.
यार.
Okay, but 1 minute. There's wait. You've not even skimmed the surface of the cricketing universe that we have invented. Okay, in my colony, because on the leg side you was a
I
ground
know
floor.
where this is going.
So on the leg side was a ground floor flat. So we've invented leg side out.
Yeah,
Left
yeah.
side out. Yeah.
Okay, then they would complain too much कि आप बहुत तेजी से shot मार रहे हो. So then we've invented one fake
Fast.
boundary. इसके बाहर full toss किया तो out. फिर
हाँ.
one tip one hand. फिर my God, what all
Bro,
we
एक
done,
मिनट
dude?
क्रिकेट खेलते वक्त I don't know if I've spoken about it. I don't even know anymore कौन सा पॉडकास्ट में बोला है, नहीं बोला है, हाँ बोला है. बट एक मैं बिल्डिंग में क्रिकेट खेलता था और हर बिल्डिंग के क्रिकेट इन एवरी बिल्डिंग इज लाइक everybody's Uno, right? Everybody has a
Different
different
rules.
Yeah.
version for Uno, right? अरे तू इसके बाद ड्रॉ 4 के बाद ड्रॉ 4 के बाद ड्रॉ 2 के ड्रॉ 18 ऐसा अलाउड नहीं है and all of that shit. वैसे क्रिकेट का भी होता था कि थोड़े बिल्डिंग में ना फास्ट बॉलिंग अलाउड नहीं है.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
who decides whether the ball is fast or not? The batsman.
Batsman.
Okay, who stands most to gain. Okay, he's given the power कि तो fast appeal कर
Fast.
सकता है.
And the thing
So
is,
that fast
the minute he's gotten bored
he's
fast.
out.
Fast.
Fast. It's usually after, right? लेकिन एक बिल्डिंग में जहाँ मैं खेलता था, उसमें एक दिन मैं बॉलिंग कर रहा हूँ, बैट्समैन इज बैटिंग और मैं ना टिचकी बॉलिंग करता हूँ. टिचकी बॉलिंग मालूम है ना दैट? तो ऐसे
ये
कि तो
वाला.
बॉल बाउंसेस एंड हैज मोर रेवोल्यूशन.
Yeah.
तो स्पिन्स अ लॉट मोर.
Top
तो
spin.
स्पिन करके ना ऐसा हुआ, ठीक है? तो उसने क्या क्या मालूम है? हाई.
Hi.
हाई नहीं, हाई की बहुत हाई है बॉल.
yeah, dude. हम लोग पहले तो हम लोग का first of all we have no sense because हम लोग का wicket जो था ना वो एक इलेक्ट्रिक का रेड कलर का डब्बा था. How can you make that a wicket? Because
नो वॉचमैन का चेयर. वॉचमैन का
हाँ,
चेयर वॉचमैन.
with the watchman sitting in it.
हाँ
Yeah.
वो मार खाया तो वो बेल से उसका सर.
हम लोग के स्लिप पे हमेशा एक आदमी खड़ा रहता था and he never could catch the ball. His job was to flick the ball to the bowler कि एक टप्पा हुआ तो वो फ्लिक करके
हाँ,
बॉलर को फेंकेगा
हाँ.
ताकि बॉलर पकड़ पाए.
एक और होता था कि उसको तो उधर रखा है, he can't catch, but it's because अगर विकेट कीपर ने छोड़ा ना तो कोई बॉल लेके आए.
बहुत दूर है.
That used to be a thing, right? कि अरे
That
तू
used to
जाके
be-
बॉल लेके आ.
That is called a younger brother. That is what that is called.
तो हम लोग के विकेट के पीछे 2 झाड़ होते थे, तो दैट वाज आवर विकेट कीपर्स स्पेस. तो अगर तुम्हारा बैट का कट लगा और पीछे गया between those 2 trees, मतलब विकेट कीपर ने पकड़ लिया, and that's caught behind.
Bro, and people are fucking dumb, dude. हम लोग के in the 6th standard, we're playing book cricket, and one guy appealed to the umpire.
I was like, and that was the teacher.
वहाँ पे book में typo है page number. It could be a 6 or it could be an 8.
No, but you know, even book cricket became so competitive that I'm not even kidding. We would learn कि कितना roughly chunk of pages तो उठा सकता है to hopefully land a 4 or 6.
दोस्तों एक sport था which is played across the world. In every single school, it is called pen fight.
Yeah. Of course.
Dude, there was also thumb fight. You remember thumb fight?
Or as we call it, Garib Carom.
No, but the thing was that there were people who had who actively went and bought those ink pens and shit because they are heavier.
They basically Ben-Hur'd the pen fight. Where they
bro.
buy pens that were.
But after a while, so we outlawed Parker pens.
Yeah.
We outlawed Parker pens. But then what happened is the pens started coming with the rubber, this grip. And those pens used to stay on the table no matter what would happen.
Cello gripper, bro.
Cello gripper.
Pen चिपक के रहता था.
So that was the thing. Either you would go for the grip, or I used to go for the pen which has, कि if you press one side blue ink है, एक red ink है, एक green है, तो उसका top मोटा होता था. तो वो ज़्यादा force, इतना tactics अगर life में किसी पे लगाई होती, तो शायद कुछ और होते हम, लेकिन नहीं. Pen fight कैसे जीते? But you know, I've noticed that
thumb fight भी खेलता था. What is thumb fight, dude? How bored you've had to be to come up with a sport which requires you to do this?
Bro, and then call it a sport. This is cheating. You can't come here, dude.
No. And then there's what's your grip? Like, you can't do this and capture my thumb. You have to keep it like this.
Correct.
And the biggest thing in that was ready. It's like that, na? 1, 2, 3. To be one person who would have to count that 1, 2, 3. So if it's my turn, 1, 2, 3. My turn has a set.
Dude, by the way, there are so many guys who have played pen fight with their crushes just so that they can touch their hand.
Yeah.
What pen fight are you playing?
Thumb fight.
Thumb fight.
Thumb fight. Correct. वो है. But also
Dude,
we had
name place animal thing.
Come in.
Oh, hitty coming. ऐसा.
Yeah,
this is a game never to play with your crush. You never play hitty coming
unless you want to crush them. No, but I don't understand why half our games were so savage. Kitty coming also used to be intense.
Yeah.
And Abadubi.
नीचे वाला है. Abadubi तो bro, I'm telling you, the amount of times I've come home with a massive blood clot. Like वो ball का निशान आ गया है उस पे. It was crazy. और हम लोग
you guys are basically doing my stand-up set from 2013, where I'm talking about.
Oh, you did stand-up? Oh shit! Yeah, oh God, when you did this?
So, Baba, be prepared for your bits from 2013 to come to light now. So
yeah. But you know,
this is boys games versus girls games. Where girls are playing Saki and we are playing.
Okay, guys. By the way, podcast was Baba stand-up.
No, but one other thing I want to just say is that fucking Varun was complaining about a blood clot. Dude, you got off very easily. There are guys who can't become fathers today because of Abadubi.
Their children will never be able to play Abadubi.
So let's take you through some of the weirdest sports that we found, and let's start with this one called chess boxing.
Oh, chess boxing! No, I want to know.
Wait. Chess boxing. Like hit each other with a chess. Oh, chess.
Fuck.
Yes.
Basically, Summer Tyson. That's what it is.
So how do you
what are the rules?
Okay, so by the way, so chess boxing is exactly what it says on the box. Okay? It is.
There's no hidden meaning.
It is a game with 11 rounds. Okay, there are 6 rounds of chess and or 6 rounds of boxing and 5 rounds of chess. Okay, and they are alternate. Okay, so you start with the chess and then you go into the boxing and then you come back.
Oh, you're not doing it at the same time.
No, you're not doing it at the same time.
एक तो अगर किंग को गेम पे मारता
you can't do knight to c7 knight to c7 and fist to face.
Yeah.
They have to do it alternately क्योंकि साथ में करेंगे तो कोई भी anybody can knock off the board.
But
Oh, sorry, हो गया game खत्म.
Guys,
Okay,
it's
I want to.
one second, it's
Huh.
much better that they do it alternately because it's fucking hilarious. You got to check this out on YouTube. Okay, there are many clips of chess boxing, and what happens is that after 4-5 rounds, these guys are so fried, dude. Like ऐसा सर पकड़ के वो लोग chess क्योंकि concussion हो गया है और सोचने को नहीं हो रहा.
So you think the chess player like started the first round पूरा उसने game plan सोच लिया.
Yeah.
इतनी मार पड़ी है कि अभी वो king को लेके 1 2 3 अरे नहीं भाई वो king है और दिख रहा नहीं.
Snakes and ladders खेल रहा है फिर वो chess में.
वो dice लेके डाल रहे हैं chess board में.
What I'm confused about is how are they moving the chess pieces with the boxing gloves on?
No.
अभी तुझे निकाल.
This is
But
not.
that would have been
This is
great
not.
if you're playing chess with boxing gloves and the trick is you can't drop any if it hits.
This
So
is
देखो box मिलेगा, free box. It's like you get a free hit.
it.
Wow.
No, dude.
Okay.
You know which country it was invented in? Like which country started?
One sec,
Russia.
please. Can I guess? Please,
Russia.
Yeah, this sounds only Russian because it's chess and it's hitting somebody.
And every 3 rounds you have to take a vodka shot. I'm sure.
Dude, you think Dimitri and Vlad were sitting there like, it's no fun. Like you just move and the horse die, but no horse die.
Okay. So here's
Now
the
it's
thing. Okay.
better. It's
Chess
better.
boxing was invented by French comic book artist Enki Bilal and adapted by Dutch performance artist Lepe Rubin as an art performance and has subsequently grown into a competitive sport. Now, the other thing is, the other question that most people have is, are there people watching this? Yes.
Of course.
Sure there are.
So,
Of
there are
course.
I
people around-
am going to be an ardent follower of this.
No, so there are people in the stadium, okay, who are sitting.
Stadium.
Yes, it happens in a boxing ring. People are watching this, and the when they're playing chess, the boxers have headphones on, right? The reason for this is because they have to tune out the commentator who is giving commentary about the chess to the audience who's sitting there. Okay, so they are literally being
Wow.
walked through the chess as well. So now, who's the winner? Anyone who can, anyone who gets a knockout, or who gets a checkmate, or if a player. So you have 12 minutes to play your move in the chess part. Okay, and if you defect on that timer, then you lose the game. Okay, if your
Right.
brain is idle and you just for 12 minutes you can't think of anything.
Bro, so every game must be one geeky guy and one like
No,
bodybuilder.
no, dude.
It's just Vishwanathan Anand going, इसको पहले round में हराना पड़ेगा, इसको पहले round में हराना पड़ेगा.
अबे लेकिन उसको फिर भी खेलना पड़ेगा ना. He'll still have to win 7 rounds to win this.
Oh, you can do
Guys,
only one move or what? You can only do one move in the chess
No,
part?
no.
Or is there you got
Okay.
a 3-minute
It goes on, yeah, till 12 minutes, basically.
Guys, please, okay, please
I
stop this.
Hmm.
Please stop this. Okay,
Ah,
please.
Say.
Okay. There is a sport called competitive sleeping.
I would do
मैं
this.
जीत गया.
No, you won't win.
पिछले Sunday
You-
जीत गया था.
Guys, you won't win. I'll tell you why. Okay.
Without intoxication.
Because so there's a competition held in Madrid, Spain, where contestants are required to fall into deep sleep in order to win. Okay, as quickly as possible. Now, you get whatever, some 1,000 euro as you win or whatever. Okay. Now,
सोने के लिए.
yeah, it's held after lunch so that whatever helps you, like food coma, whatever can help you.
Shocking. Shocking.
Now,
that-
contestants are judged on the basis of their ability to sleep to as close to 20 minutes as possible. The criteria are speed required for you to doze off, your snoring, and your sleep posture. Okay,
What?
this is that's what it is. That is what it is.
Huh.
And the downside is that it's held in a busy shopping center, so it's
Oh,
not
fuck.
as easy as it sounds. Okay, but I will give you what's it called? A virtual 1,000 euros if you guess who the winner is and what was
Someone
his
from Pune.
job.
अरे Kumkaran.
No. And what was his job?
Anybody from Goa. Hey, what man? It's afternoon siesta, man.
So the
I
winner,
think
so the
somebody
winner
from
of
Kolkata.
one of these, no. So the winner of one of these competitions, I think in around 20, so in 2010, okay, so that's the only thing I have, is an unemployed security guard called Pedro.
Shocking.
Of course.
Shocking. What a thought.
Why was he unemployed? Who
मेरा
knows?
मेरा वॉचमैन था क्या? किसका वॉचमैन था?
So,
मतलब अपने में से कोई भी जा सकता है.
unemployed security guard Pedro Lopez has won Spain's first Siesta Championship, having managed to sleep for 17 minutes in a busy Madrid shopping center.
Dude, the only reason he slept 70 minutes is probably they woke him up saying, "Sir, आप जीत गए."
No, he probably slept 17 minutes on the job. He wasn't participating. He was just there doing his job.
Because he was
And the
the
winner
security
is-
guard at the mall.
He was just the security guard at the mall, and he just won.
Hilarious.
Also,
Hilarious.
when
You
it's
think he
held,
actually Dude,
it's
मेरे को
so funny.
imagine हो रहा है कि उसको जिता रहा है कि the winner is this guy. I won. Yeah, it was a competition. Fuck.
Now the thing is, outside in the US when it's held, this was by the way invented in the US and California apparently.
Of course.
It was first played in 1998. Okay, now comes the great categorization. It says team members, single competitor, type of sport, indoor/outdoor, low impact, and then equipment, bed.
Bed.
No, but
You
are
have
you
to
allowed
get your
to
own
like,
bed?
eat a lot?
You have to get your own bed.
No, I'm assuming that that's what you need to host the competition. A
Achha.
bed, like if at all.
Dude, I
No,
wish
you.
I
It's
could-
held after lunch. So the thing is, whatever, like you can eat dabake and just eat Bengali food and go to sleep.
Oh, best.
तो ये
चावल खा
थोड़ा
के
पहले
दबा के सो जाओ.
या पहले लाइफ में ये
So
पता
you
चलता
can put some CBD oil in it.
Bro, रोज $1,000 जीतता ना हम लोग रोज.
अबे रोज थोड़ी होता है ये पागल बैठे के हम लोग.
कौन?
Who dares wins का
But
lazy version.
किसी ने वो देखा है ना, at some point all of us have like gone to that the article from NASA. It's like NASA will offer you $8,000 to sleep for 3 months. Have you seen that article?
No.
Have you done that?
No,
thing?
Adar,
I don't
this
know,
is
Adar,
you.
ये तेरे algorithm पे आ रहा है तेरे को.
Yeah, because I'm clearly a fan of this sleeping. Because so NASA has this thing where they want to observe people who can actually, like in a confined space, how long can you manage to sleep, and they want to actually conduct the like what happens to the brain long term in a confined space. What happens if you're supposed to you are not
No.
allowed to leave the bed
NASA
for 2 weeks.
NASA should
And
come
you'll
down
be
to
paid
India
$1,000.
and hang out with any joint family to find out how people sleep in confined spaces. Have you been to Dharavi?
My
Guys,
God.
guys, there's also, I mean, I'm sure everybody has seen this video. There is a face slapping competition.
Oh
Okay.
God, that's brutal, dude.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
a real
What slapping?
sport. Face
Face
slapping.
slapping.
Arey,
Okay.
bro, this
And-
is in Russia. This
Yeah.
is in
Yeah.
Russia.
No, it's in several places.
Hmm.
But there's one video which I'm going to have to mute and play so that we don't get in any copyright violation. But you should just see this one guy, dude, and the
वो
slap that
ऐसे
he has
measurement लेके करते हैं ना, ऐसे करके ऐसे
taken.
properly.
Yeah, and you have to just stand there and take it, bro.
Yeah,
ये क्या चल
Bro,
रहा है
मैं
मतलब?
ये
How
वाला
is
तो
this?
नहीं करूंगा.
yeah.
या तो तू एक काम कर सकता है, इसमें जाके खड़ा रहे, कोई तेरे को जोर से झापड़ मारेगा कि तू पास आउट हो जाएगा 17 मिनट के लिए, और फिर तू 2 कंपटीशन जीत सकता है.
Hey, but this face
Bro.
slapping competition is called a road accident in Delhi. That's what it was invented. And
Bro.
it's become a
Bro,
national
I'm
sport.
genuinely,
or it's called your middle class family exam results game.
bro, watch this. Okay,
Oh,
just watch
this guy is dangerous.
watch.
Oh,
dude.
dude, yeah.
World
Bro,
champion,
उसका-
okay?
एक
Okay,
तो ये
wait.
तो
Pause the video. Baba, pause the video.
What's his arm size, dude?
Okay, who do you think is going to win between these two?
Dude,
Oh,
The
dude,
audience watching it is going to win.
Yeah.
Because somebody's going to get
Just-
hurt real
just-
bad.
just
Look
watch
at the guy on
the
the side. Look at the guy on the side. He's got his face.
watch the tamacha, okay? Watch
Look
this
at the guy in
tamacha.
the middle, bro. White
Dude,
t-shirt
the
wala.
guy on the left, the bearded guy is brutal.
Oh!
He's like the best dude.
This guy has passed out. That's the first slap, by the way. You have to give 3 slaps to each other.
Yeah. But then
ये
the
कौन
guy
सा
who
है?
goes first
ये
basically
ये
has
किधर
an
का तो
advantage,
bouncer
na?
लग रहा है.
The guy who goes first always has an advantage.
Yeah, but
I
you
mean,
have to.
Yeah, you're right. Oh my
It's
god.
great, dude.
क्या
Oh my
measurement
god.
लेके कर रहा है?
Shit.
Oh,
अरे
वो
भाई
वो
हिला
हिला
भी
भी
नहीं।
नहीं है bro.
Yeah, this guy is brutal.
अबे ये तो पंच मारा उसके गले पे मारा उसने।
Bro, unreal है.
Holy crap.
Dude, this
Bro,
is like
unreal है ये competition. What is this? How is this a sport? I don't get it. Like, how is this a sport?
it's epic.
is
I
a-
think
this
this
is
is
a
a legit
sport.
sport, dude. This is like boxing. If arm wrestling is a sport, this is definitely a sport.
Yeah, मतलब this is boxing without gloves with your fist open.
Yeah, this is like bare
And no
bare-handed
protective gear
slaps.
and no like.
Dude,
Big
I
man.
remember a fight
इसके
that
ऊपर
broke
एक-
out in my
इसके ऊपर
college.
एक रॉकी बनानी चाहिए bro, इसके
हाँ.
ऊपर एक
हाँ.
रॉकी बनानी चाहिए।
Dude,
We'll
I
call
ये
it Slappy.
है झापड़ मारने वाला।
Slappy. वो क्या
Slappy.
वो सीढ़ियों पे
उसके
कैसे
का
वो
नाम
सीढ़ियों पे
लगेगा।
भागेगा क्या करेगा? I don't know what he's going to do in
Hey,
that for the iconic
One
shot.
second. Why is Rocky doing this when he can do chess boxing? Like make
That's
Rocky
boxing.
learn the Queen's Gambit. That's what I think.
Joe Adrian, checkmate.
So
Okay.
there is this other sport which also ended up becoming a film in Bollywood. It's called wife carrying.
Yeah.
And
This
can you
sounds
guess
like a
which
Suraj
country?
Bharjatya film.
This is नहीं दम
Yeah.
लगा के आयशा. This is a Yasha.
Yeah, dam laga ke Aisha.
Ah.
But can you guess which country was it born in? This sport.
Norway.
Yeah, one of these. Where the
Very
women
close,
are lesser than
Baba.
the
It
men.
is
It's a
Finland.
Finland. No, it had to be
Yeah.
a Scandinavian.
Why?
country.
Why it had to be? Huh?
Many reasons.
This is such a weird stereotype about
अरे
Scandinavian
बाबा ने
countries.
फेंक दिया बाबा ने
Please say
फेंक
more.
दिया अभी
Yeah.
उसको जस्टिफाई करने नहीं हो रहा कम ऑन बाबा come on
Oh,
What?
it sounds only like a Scandinavian sport, but you look at all the Scandinavian sports that exist.
like
So
what
all their male
Tell
also.
me
Then
another
there's that. Then
Scandinavian
there's that.
sport.
Which one was that? Was that what is that? I don't remember what it's called. Putuk putuk or some shit like that. I don't remember. I don't know the name. I don't speak fucking Norwegian.
What the fuck
dude.
is this game?
But all the
But,
strong
okay,
men
so
and all
it's a-
that come from Norway. Like all strong
Yeah,
men
that's true.
competitions.
They're all the Scandinavian countries. But this thing, the restriction is the course is 253.5 meters long with one dry and two water-based obstacles. The wife must weigh at least 49 kilos. And if dropped, the
If
man
dropped.
faces a 15-second penalty. The World Championships, firstly, are held in July, and the winner gets his wife's weight in beer.
That's too. That's not enough.
Bro, if Kautuk was playing this game, he would drop Siddhi at every second so that he keeps getting 50-second penalties.
But let me understand. What is the advantage for the wife here? यहाँ पे बस खाली उसके weight में beer मिल रहा है. The wife
वाइफ
gets
को कुछ नहीं
nothing.
मिल रहा नहीं कुछ नहीं
I'm assuming you can share the beer amongst yourselves, right? Like
Yeah, but
I'm
I don't
saying
think
that-
that's the greatest like that's the greatest incentive for.
do they like train like if the minimum weight is 49? Do they all the like is it so competitive that the wives make sure that they're
No.
49? And
Baba,
You think the women are like jockeys and they're treating the men like
Yeah.
horses? Like we
Yeah,
have to
maybe,
keep our
maybe,
weight as just
maybe,
perfect
yeah.
so
Ah.
that they can carry us faster.
Our training for this begins by creating a profile on Shadi.com.
Okay, so this is another sport I found called underwater hockey. So there is a, and this is not like
So
apna wala
Shahrukh
hockey.
goes 90 minute 90 minute है तुम्हारे पास.
So this is not our
70
hockey.
minute. Okay.
70 minute है तुम्हारे पास. So it's not played with a ball. This is with a puck, which is the ice hockey wala. Except यहाँ पे ice hockey वो ice rink melt हो गया, तो नीचे चला गया puck. So people have to constantly come up for like to breathe and then come
So
back
it's
down.
really and going
Yeah,
back down,
it's
right?
literally
why
good.
or if you're like fucking Michael Phelps and you can just
Yeah.
be down because you're
Yeah.
a fish and then to
Or-
leke ja and then what do you do with the
You're
puck?
you have to keep pushing it towards the goal, and there is a goalie, which is kind of weird because the goalie has उसको नजर रखना पड़ेगा ऊपर से, and then
goalie
go
को
down
तो-
to protect the goal.
That's a great idea, man. I like
But
it.
you can
Great
only
idea.
unless you're a Harry Potter fan and you put Gillyweed. But the point is, if you are the goalkeeper
Yeah.
of this thing, you can only play this sport in a country that is not got brown color water.
Yeah.
Like you can't play this in
Yeah.
Juhu because
then your punch
अबे
has
तू
to be
सी
a
में नहीं
glowing
खेल रहा है,
dark.
you're playing it in a swimming pool, you can't play it in the sea,
Oh,
क्योंकि आधा
you
टाइम वो
can't.
बस नीचे जाने में लग
Wow.
जाएगा.
Baba,
World
wait one second,
Championship
Baba,
है.
you thought they were playing it in the ocean?
I thought they were playing it in a lake
And-
or something, dude.
It's
And
like,
then the World Championship
Guys.
happening in the Atlantic.
guys,
And
we've
everybody meets-
we've lost all the teams again trying to get to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. This keeps
Yeah, but
happening every year at the World Championship for
We
underwater
wonder
thought-
what's wrong. The
I thought
teams
it
need
was
to
a
train
lake.
harder.
Yeah. Guys, I thought it was a lake, dude. How do I know?
We've
Even if
never
it's a
started
lake,
one game.
Baba. Even if it's a
The
lake.
lake is also deep, Baba.
No, yeah, it can be one of those like regular lakes.
Baba,
पहली बात तो अगर रेफरी शुरू में से पक फेंकेगा तो पहले 90 मिनट तो निकल गए खाली पक को ढूंढने के लिए कि कहाँ है पक. सारे प्लेयर ढूंढ रहे लेक के अंदर पक का है. Okay,
It's like those coins you throw in a river and then you have to go and pick it out. It's kind of like that.
But I really
Speaking
like
of,
this. I like this. It's a very elegant sport because like there's so many challenges. Like even if you're close to scoring but you're out of breath, you're fucked. Like
Yeah. Sorry, bro.
It's also basically how Gareth Bale plays now.
yeah.
So, okay, speaking of Harry Potter, there is an actual adaptation of Quidditch.
Of course, not surprised.
At the Middlebury College, and it's a bunch of players holding brooms in between their legs and trying to throw the ball in between the hoops, and
Wow.
they have to keep the broom in between their legs at all times.
This is an inconvenient sport. It's not a sport.
I think this has been invented by parents so that the children actually clean the house. It's like अच्छा खेल ही रहे हो तो सब लोग एक झाड़ू पकड़ो और घर साफ करो.
So, guys, 1 minute. I know, Kautuk, you have an exciting new sport, but I have one more, and then I think I'm sort of done. It's
Baba's
called.
done with reading. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, हो गया.
I'm sorry, but it is called extreme ironing.
Yeah.
Oh, hard.
Yeah.
Bro, मेरा धोबी जीतेगा इसमें.
Bro, I am not understanding why is this first of all a sport. Like, also, what are the rules in extreme ironing? Like,
Wait,
so
you have
ironing,
to iron it on top of a car.
No, or any extreme place.
it's X Games. It's part of the X Games. So you can like do it on a BMX also if you can.
No,
But
so
like, I don't know how.
there's a photo of a guy ironing his clothes on a kayak.
I have seen. I've just pulled it up, and this has come up. There's a guy ironing while skydiving. He's got an ironing board. He's got a parachute, और वो इस्त्री कर रहा है एक suit, and by the end he opens his parachute.
Bro,
and it goes
अगर
up.
कभी लाइफ में skydiving किया, you realize the wind, the force with which you're dropping is insane.
Yeah, and
So he's
180
cheating
meters per second.
because you just hold the kapra out and it will still be fine. Because
Yeah.
it will iron itself with the.
सब crease निकल जाएगा उसका.
but like a regular dhobi, you should get like more points for like bada kapda. Bedsheet का ज़्यादा point.
And like
Do
a
you-
regular
do you get
movie,
more
every
points?
once in a while, you just keep 2-3 of the t-shirt.
Yeah. Or just get some random t-shirts from the neighbors. Just exchange people's clothes.
Yeah, dude, it's happened so many times. I'm sure मेरा कपड़ा भी किसी और के पास गया because I've got somebody else's clothes also.
Of course,
That's
of
extreme
course.
ironing.
But there was this rumor going around in our building कि हम लोग का जो धोबी है वो हम लोग के कपड़े like if we give him the कपड़ा on Friday और वो
Saturday, Sunday वो पहनता है.
Saturday Sunday
Spread by this is spread. One sec, I'm telling you, this has been spread by mothers since 1947 across the board because they don't want to spend any money in giving it to iron. This is middle class mom. My mom has said, please ask him to get the cup. You're giving it to him tonight. You ask him to get it tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
I'm like, mom, it's not possible. Like, it's 8 in the night. No, he'll wear them and go out. I'm like, mom, what will he wear?
No, this is a scene from a Govinda movie.
Yeah.
ठीक है वो कौन सी पिक्चर थी हीरो नंबर 1
Dude, my mom was a lawyer. Dude. She was
Nice.
educated.
गैराज में से गाड़ी निकाल के लेके जाता है हर रात को
पर वो तो अलग है तो जो जीता वो सिकंदर में भी है ना कि वो गाड़ी फिक्स होने आती है और फिर वो लोग बाहर लेके जाते हैं
Hey, by the way, अगर
My
extreme
mom believed
ironing,
in all these conspiracy theories, by the way.
dude, अगर extreme ironing sport है तो जो मैं घर पे कर रहा हूँ 4 महीनों से वो भी sport होना चाहिए dude. extreme बर्तन.
Extreme Bardhan.
See, Bhajan,
because I've done some weird stupid.
And we'll write it also, team members, single or multiple competitors. And then we'll write equipment, Scotch Brite and Prill or Vim.
Do you guys also look at like doing housework as working out?
No, bro.
No.
I think it is kind of working out because
unless you're doing jhadu pocha every day, jhuk ke na, not with that fucking thing.
No, झुक
Not
के,
with
झुक के.
Bro,
पूरा
by
squat
the way,
मार के, ऐसा ऐसा.
that fucking thing ये जो तू कर रहा है, तेरे को घिसना पड़ता है.
I understand, but
Yeah,
it's still not thing like jhuk ke on squatting and then moving without getting up in between and all. Then it's considered working.
The trick is do not bend from your lower back.
Yeah.
Bend from your knees.
that
When
is
you
it.
bend
Always
from your
keep
lower
the weight
back,
on your knees.
पूरा ऐसा करेगा ना, you stand up, your whole back feels accrued. But if you bend from your knees, my parents taught me this. Bend from your knees, and you'll have to almost वो chicken position होता है ना, वैसा रहेगा और करेगा ना, it's less stressful for your back. But हाँ,
That's amazing. But 100% it's a competitive sport because you have Scotch Brite, Vim versus Prill. You have. I'm team Vim.
I want
I'm
that
team
new
Vim.
Tyson, bro. ऐसे खड़े रह के कर.
अरे नहीं, बर्तन के लिए तो करना पड़ेगा ना.
But I didn't know there's like multiple tricks. Like who does the prill inside one of the utensils? फिर उसमें पानी डालो, उसको झाग बनाओ, and then use it to save the prill. Have you guys been doing that?
Oh yeah. No, I tried doing that.
No.
This is my mother taught me. You use a little prill and then like make it like.
Again, guys, don't listen to moms about everything.
Yeah,
I'm trying to say this. Okay, please. I'm telling you this out of experience. Just don't listen to moms about everything. This is not going to clean your dishes. This is just going to save prill. That's all that it's going
That's
to do.
it.
So this trick moms use for house helps who clean the bartans. Okay. So they want to basically save the prill, get extra jhag on the thing, and then have the ability to yell at them to say, "Tum barabar se nahi dho raha hai." So you have to understand the strategy.
This is so true.
Okay, this is the
They
strategy.
also feel that the house help will use extra.
Yeah.
Can I tell you, guys,
Yeah.
at the start of this lockdown, right? There were so many people on Twitter who were complaining, who were basically saying stuff like, "Hey, have you noticed ever since we have started doing the dishes, there is so much more prill left."
हाँ, क्योंकि तू अच्छे से धो रहा नहीं है अपने dishes. Clearly.
Also, I'm
This is not a paid advertisement for Prill or Vim.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
No, I'm team Vim with experience because what I also do is I also use the bar, by the way.
Vim,
I use the bar and liquid.
bar नहीं होता. I can't do bar. बाबा please
No.
तू घुमा है. तू बैठ के वो टिक्की के साथ घिस रहा है. No.
अरे नहीं, टिक्की के साथ कौन घिसता है bro?
टिक्की के ऊपर अपना वो लेगा.
हाँ, ये आदमी है ये वरुण. No,
Vim
the point
liquid,
is,
bro. Straight up.
so Vim liquid is great, but the tikki sometimes, no, because if you've got something that's super like oily and things like that, what you need to do is you need to just use the tikki to make sure that you get that sound, that sound on stainless steel when you wash it. That's important.
टिक्की क्या लोखंड की बनी है?
अरे bro, धोने के बाद bro.
Yeah. Also, I read this on a blog that Neville runs. After you do it with the Prill liquid and the Vim bar, then you squeeze a lemon on top of it and crack
Ideally.
a coconut.
If
So
you
that
are
the heat
ज़्यादा oily है ना, तो actually करना चाहिए.
and
No,
garnish
but-
with arugula.
Yeah.
But guys, there's one trick. Have you realized that like the spatulas, if they're either made of that silicone or the wooden spatulas, beyond a certain point when you start cooking them, this is genuine legit advice I'm giving. Beyond a certain point, they start to smell, right? Like they'll
Correct.
smell of the sabzi because even
Yeah.
no matter how much you guiso them,
That's true.
that's because they soak in the oil, right?
That's true.
What you need to do is put vinegar, preferably apple cider vinegar, and keep it with warm water and keep it kept inside that for like 4-5 hours. You'll be fine. And then wash them. Then the smell goes.
Dude, if this was a competitive sport, Baba would be Ferguson. This is fucking. What are these
Who's on
things?
offense? Who's on defense? Who's on Vim bar? Who's on liquid?
So
Who's
no,
on
genuinely,
apple cider
keep
vinegar duty?
Keep it in vinegar and warm water. The smell disappears, bro.
Hmm.
It's great. What is the other sports on the internet?
Friends.
Okay.
I have found one. Okay.
Okay. अच्छा तेरे को मिला?
It is called toe wrestling. Okay. Toe wrestling.
You.
Toe
Toe
wrestling.
wrestling. Okay. So in toe wrestling, two opponents, they get together in a toadium I'm not making any of this up. It's a Toadium.
This sounds, Kautuk, this sounds like
Arey,
you've
I'm
written
not
this sport.
that funny. That's
Toadium?
a real- Look it up. It's a world championship and everything. Okay, the Toadium. Okay, so basically there's two plates over here. Okay, and you have to toe wrestle in the middle. Okay, now you lock big toes, and the objective is to move your opponent and make their foot touch one of the boards. Okay, that's how you get points, and it's best of 3. So right foot first, then left foot, then right foot again. Okay, now where did toe wrestling come from?
Aryan Robin wouldn't play only this sport.
he would right foot cut inside left foot. So the game was invented by 4 drinkers in a pub called in a place called Ye Old Royal Oak Inn in Wetton, Staffordshire in 1974. And they invented the game because they were upset with the fact that the United Kingdom struggled to produce any world champions. Logically, if a new sport was invented that no one else knew about, the country could boast of a new champion at last.
Wow.
This is the logic we've used with Kabaddi. Okay, so
1 second.
Hey,
This
Kabaddi
is
has been
bullshit.
Yeah.
This is bullshit, Kautuk. It is
What?
basically a couple that wanted to play footsie in a bar, and then they said, "Guys, we need to invent a sport to be able to do it."
so
They had Indian parents, and they were not able to do what they needed to do.
there were 4 gentlemen called Pete Cheatham, Eddie Stansfield, Pete Dean, and Mick Dawson who created toe wrestling. Okay, so now the thing is, and
Again, 4 guys creating it.
okay, Mick became the
Because they
first
wanted
world
to-
champion. And he returned the title the next year. However, in 1976, a Canadian visitor competed and won, and
Wow.
Britain lost the champion again.
And now every year
Why
they
does-
have a campaign where they say it's coming home.
It's coming home.
No, but you should check it out. Okay, like these videos of toe wrestling, like this sport is in that phase of a sport where it's just starting out, so it's not competitive at all. No one, and it's called toe wrestling, so it's definitely no one gives a fuck.
Are you allowed
Basically-
to wear like toe rings and go? Can you
No,
wear
so
toe rings?
you
can't
can't
ban
do
her
any of that.
Yeah, you can't.
And you can't use steroids. You can't use any of these.
If you are playing toe wrestling,
कौन
I
बैठ के
really
अपने
doubt that-
अपने
If
toe
you are
में
using
steroids डाल रहा है?
So it's for your toes. Okay. then there is other problems in your
They-
That's how you have to figure out.
The only substances you can use are tobacco and alcohol.
Tobacco.
because that's how the game was invented.
Yeah. They haven't put out any word about crack cream yet. Okay.
I'm
so I
surprised.
don't
I'm
know.
surprised this hasn't featured in one of Quentin Tarantino's movies yet.
Yeah, because he would watch and jack off to this, bro.
Yeah.
He was that obsessed with fucking feet.
So
Once
here's
upon a
a-
time in Hollywood would have been like an hour shorter अगर पैर shots नहीं होते तो.
Yeah.
पैर पे रहता है पूरा time. पाव
Dude,
पाव.
लेकिन वो किल बिल में वो गाड़ी के अंदर बैठ के जब वो बोलती है पिंकी
But that's the
move.
thing. That in that it made sense, right?
Yeah.
Wiggle little toe, wiggle
Yeah.
little toe. बोल रही है. Boom. जीत जाती.
Okay,
Ye
there's
kiddo.
there's another sport I found which is
No, wait, Adar. You will destroy at this sport.
Hmm.
Okay. It's called the World Air Guitar Championships.
oh
Okay. This is
That's a
and
backhanded insult. Backhanded
It's also-
compliment for it.
dude,
No.
I have won 3 air guitar championships in my college. I actually won these competitions because they
Anything that you win in Mediba is not counted.
Including the degree.
oh god.
You know, it's shocking to me every time that I realize Adar is from Mithibai. Like it's just so.
Why is it shocking? I think it should make absolute sense that I am from
No.
Mithibai.
There's a no because like I don't know. I don't want to say it. I mean, this is really I don't want. But Air Guitar Championships. If you see these guys like really get into it, right?
Yeah,
like,
yeah, they work. It's
they'll
a
come in-
performance. Yeah,
Yeah, and the performance includes what guitar they're playing.
yeah.
So they'll be like, I'm playing a Gibson 750C, or like whatever the fuck other, I don't know. Or
One
I'm playing.
second, but when they're doing this, right? कुछ सुनाई तो दे रहा नहीं है. Are they
है,
doing a
है.
cover of a guitar
चल रहा है ना? Yeah.
There is an actual song playing. So
Yeah.
they're playing an
that's what I'm
actual
saying.
song. and they're doing the guitar on that. Now there's air drumming and air bands and all of that jazz, but like air guitar, they're like extremely intense. And the reason why they're saying the name and model number and all, because like their hands are, you know, moving along the fretboard or whatever the
correctly
fuck that it means.
positioned, and if they have to
हाँ,
do
तो it
the
must be
like
that ना कि तूने कितने ये कर पाया, कितना तू chords बदल पाया, जो भी है.
हाँ.
Must be some.
it's beautiful. Like the
Every-
amount of seriousness with which people
मैं
treat
उसमें
it
ये
is
कर
beautiful.
पाता, क्योंकि even in air guitaring I do जो last वाला होता है ना एकदम.
Just
Also,
चुरा
Varun's
लिया
air
है
guitar-
तुमने
also,
जो दिल
no,
को.
no. Also, Varun's air guitar is the fretboard is here and he's playing it here. So this is Varun's air
By the
guitar.
way,
It's
हारमोनियम में इतना what do you call that big one जो
Sitar.
angels बजाते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
oh harp.
Yeah.
It's not a harp.
harp
By the
नहीं
way,
रे, बड़ा वाला is also harp.
most Bollywood actors when they have to play the guitar on screen, bro.
Air guitar with a
But
guitar.
they're at least handed a guitar, right?
Arey, but she's playing it like a sitar, dude. She's doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This.
You remember that
Dude,
movie ना, मैं प्रेम की
Yeah,
दीवानी.
मैं प्रेम की दीवानी.
Oh God.
करीना करती ना कसम की
Yeah.
कसम है कसम.
Bro,
वो जो guitar
Salman
बज रहा है और
is
जो वो
Salman in O Jaane Jana is playing an electric guitar without
Yeah.
a cord.
Without
God,
plugging
yeah.
it in.
Dude, at that
There's no
point of
electricity
time, it was Salman Khan without his t-shirt for the first time, and nobody was looking at the guitar.
not first time. पागल है क्या?
No, on that level, on that, like he had really, I think that was the movie where he really like became like the buff dude. Like up till that time, it was always this lanky, like he was always in that.
I mean, the song starts with him telling 20 people that I love you all.
Love you all.
Yeah.
ना कोई मंजिल है, फिर भी निकल पड़ा हूँ.
But they
वही
paid
रास्ता,
attention to the fact कि
वही
उसके
मंजिल.
कान में वो mic है.
Kid.
Like please
हाँ.
remember, they paid attention कि उसके यहाँ पे mic है. क्योंकि it's too unbelievable
लेकिन
otherwise.
भाई आपके गिटार कनेक्टेड नहीं है. मैं गिटार बजाऊंगा कैसे? मुंह से. सुनाई दे
सर
रहा है?
लेकिन
हाँ.
आपके एम्पलीफायर कहाँ है? ये मेरे एम्पलीफायर मेरे कोर में है. Just मेरे 6 एम्पलीफायर्स.
Don't you think even the guitar riffs in that song have like a
I'm sure Bhai said this to the
I
music
think it's a
director
different,
and it's like
it's a
he
different
just,
chord altogether. Like that chord makes a face like that, you know. Dun, dun,
dun,
dun,
dun,
dun,
dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun.
I love you all.
And the minor chords are Sohail and Arfaz.
Also the lyrics are ना कोई मंजिल है फिर भी निकल पड़ा हूँ घर से.
This was the
Salman
opposite.
going for a shoot.
This was the opposite of Papa कहते हैं. This was the opposite of Papa कहते हैं.
God,
There is no ambition in this song.
फिर भी निकल पड़ा हूँ. वही साथी है, वही मंजिल है. ऐसा है ना?
Did it?
जो साथी है वही मंजिल है. And then yeah, Kautuk but correct. Salman going for a shoot. It's perfect.
Oh,
I
God.
love you all. निकल पड़ा हूँ. कहाँ जा रहे हो? पता नहीं.
Dude,
I
but this
too
guy's,
thought
but
that
he's
way.
such a boss, okay? He's such a boss the other day. This is a couple of years ago. What this guy has
The other
done.
day, a couple of years ago.
Yeah, I needed to give
We're
context because
we're so used to
I
as
told you.
comedians to say the other day.
Other day.
No, and it's important in this day and age to give context. So this is a couple of years ago, but what happened is I was driving on the highway. Wait a minute, you know how many years ago? This is not a couple of years ago. Mom was alive, so this is definitely pre-2015. So this is at least 5 years ago. Okay, so this is like late 2015 or before. I'm driving on the highway, and I remember we were going towards town. And suddenly at Mahim, Bhai has come in on a cycle. Okay.
Of
Very
course.
specifically, I had my.
No, because I was coming from JV, right? JVLR, right? So I took that Mahim wala road, and Bhai has come from Bandra, I'm assuming. So he's on a cycle. His car is behind him, and there are his security guards are running with him, right? And he's riding. Dude, this guy has obviously ridden from Bandra. We've reached Prabhadevi and are waiting in traffic. Bhai is passing us at Prabhadevi, dude.
Yeah.
Then we go slightly further. Bhai is passing us again.
Respect.
Dude, means he's ridden this long and he's still almost keeping up with cars.
भाई तो देखो क्या लग रहा है भाई के एब्स कैसे बन रहे हैं थोड़ी सब ग्रीन स्क्रीन है मेहनत कर रहे हैं भाई रोज बैंड्रा से टाउन जा रहे बाइक पे चल के आए.
But also, why is he like he's on a bike? Like, I mean, you're just asking to get mobbed if you're passing by Mahim as Salman on a bike.
but dude,
It's the
one
thing
second.
is this with Salman,
No, so
you are
cycle.
not going to
Mask
mob
करते
Salman.
हैं.
Yeah, you're not going to mob Salman when he's on a bike. Like it's like नहीं भाई को disturb नहीं करने का. भाई का
No, but
body
you know,
language.
क्योंकि पीछे गाड़ी चलती होती है जिसके
हाँ.
अंदर शेरा and the rest of the posse is there.
No, but by
Yeah.
the way, so right now you could mob Bhai because you know he's on a bike. Like when he started bicycling, like I'm pretty sure like Bhai passed by people and they were like, "अरे cycle पे भाई थोड़ा ना होएगा."
And somebody sees it again and again. They're like, "चुतिया पागल है क्या तू? Imagine कर रहा है." मैं imagine कर रहा हूँ like of all the things you're imagining भाई going on the cycle every day. नहीं यार वो रोज थोड़ी imagine कर सच में भाई साइकिल चला.
You know to really throw people off. Bhai should be on a cycle, you know, with that this thing,
Carrier.
yeah, with the
Dudwala.
carrier, like,
The Dudwala cycle. Huh.
no, with a dosa wale ka number on it on the side.
Like bike नहीं लग रहा था यार. वो being human का नहीं था cycle. I don't think वो being human का cycle था. Speaking of bikes, there is a sport called tuk tuk polo.
Already like it.
This is a wonderful sport where people in rickshaws basically are playing polo instead of sitting on horses.
अभी भी ऐसे ही चला रहेगा.
वो ऐसे ही चलाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि एक हाथ में तेरे को पोलो का डंडा रखना है और ऐसे ही चलाना पड़ेगा.
Guys, the actual sport should be अंदर ही जाएगा. नहीं. How to get into the team should be the sport.
It's
But,
hilarious
bro,
because
at least you know they've make a lot of versions of this polo, right? तो पोलो का पट लेके स्विमिंग पूल में डाल और पब्लिक को बोल पानी के अंदर उसको खेले. उसको वही करके तू रिक्शा में बैठ के कर.
Correct.
You know,
फिर
like,
उसका फिर
polo
एक
in
गोली
itself-
बना और मुंह में डाल.
But think of this polo in itself is hockey on a horse.
Yeah.
Right? So what's wrong with you being in a rickshaw?
Exactly.
no, the difference here is the rickshaw is there, the driver is there, तुम passenger seat में बैठ के खेल रहे हो. That is what is happening, and it is a very popular sport in Sri Lanka right now.
Of course.
It's one of the most popular.
उधर भी जय सूर्या के हॉकी स्टिक पे जय सूर्या के हॉकी स्टिक पे आए लोखंड और वो मार रहा है.
उधर भी रोमेश कालो भी
रोमेश
चला था,
गहलोत जय सूर्या.
So I don't know if you know this rule about tuk tuk polo, but apparently the losing team has to pay double bhada.
You know, we've been talking about polo, right? There's a sport called hobby horsing. Okay, now this is 100% authentic, mind-numbingly real, and more unique than one of a kind sport. Okay,
Mind-numbing.
now
You sound like a fucking salesman, dude.
It involves people riding toy horses in the gymnasium with zero intention of irony, and it has become highly popular. Guess where?
1 second. Japan.
Of course.
I think the land of weird, strange sports.
America.
Finland again.
Fuck.
Finnish public finish हो गई है. क्योंकि कुछ भी, bro, it's a toy horse and you pretend to ride it in a gymnasium.
This is what happens.
Watch.
This is what happens when you have a 4-day work week.
See,
This is the
that's
shit
the
that
woman running
comes
with
up.
a toy horse or the public है.
Yeah.
And the best part about the sentence is not ironically.
Yeah.
No, with zero intention of irony.
Dude, you know what's missing? What's missing is a person
a
running
real
behind
horse.
them with a coconut.
It's a real
Yeah.
horse.
Oh, for a Monty Python.
Monty Python. Okay, I
But you
want
know,
to submit.
when you're looking for strange sports, like अपन देख रहे हैं तो अपने को बाहर के strange sports दिख रहे हैं, but in that list is also kabaddi.
Kabaddi.
We are very good at.
Because we have to hold our breath, na. I think that's a very weird thing for people to realize. Okay? Oh, you have to
क्या
hold your
प्राणायाम
breath.
But guys,
Huh?
I'm surprised that Kho has not made any weird list. Because Kho is a sport where you just randomly get to touch someone's ass and say go.
What Kho were you playing, बाबा? हम लोग पीठ पे मारते थे. तू गांड पे क्यों मार रहा है लोगों को? याक, ये वो.
Oh, wait. 1 minute.
इनके गलत फायदे
Speaking
उठा
of पीठ पे मारना, hops and bats, bro.
हाँ हाँ.
पर वो स्पोर्ट नहीं था ना, उसको तो स्पोर्ट
नहीं
नहीं.
स्पोर्ट था वो. स्पोर्ट था.
Sport था, bro.
और मेरे स्टैंडर्ड में बहुत चैंपियन थे dude. अलग
थोड़ी से
अलग.
मारने.
मारने तो मजा आता. वो तो फिर जॉली और डॉलर भी हो गया.
हाँ
Bro, ये तो
हाथ
मेरा
में
full
बना
set ही निकल रहा है. Shit.
दबाई
Hey, I want
दबाई
to-
स्पाइस
I
है
want to-
दबाई स्पाइस
I need to submit to your consideration. The Pillow Fighting League.
Ah, please don't tell me this is
Yeah.
exclusively for women.
Yes,
PFL
it
अरे
is.
the
यार,
PFL it is
Yes,
इसमें भी उन लोगों ने डाला है
pillow fighting is a real life semi-professional women only sporting event that is all about pillow fighting, founded by Pillow Fight League Commissioner Stacey P. Case and Craig Daniels in February 2004. It came from Canada. This sport is quite similar to a wrestling match held in a fighting arena. Uh, 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 the fight lasts for only 5 minutes. If by the time limit ends and there is still no winner, the judging committee, which consists of 3 members, will declare the winner. As long as the fighter uses a pillow to attack, leg drops, submission holds, punching, and other moves are prohibited within the match. The fighter is allowed to hold her attacker's arm when she decides to attack with a pillow. This sport can get quite serious with bruises, cuts, scrapes, and concussions known to happen.
what are your pillows made of
वो coir और spring डाल रहा है.
I like in a sport like pillow fighting giving a chokehold leg lock is not okay.
So guys, I have another. Just to say, I have another spot which I think is just really weird, and you have to see it. I mean, it's one of those things which, again, I can't talk about. You have to see it to believe it.
Oh, bro, I know this. They're inside pumpkins, right? Big pumpkin
that's a
kayaking.
real pumpkin.
That's a
Yeah,
real pumpkin, or?
Giant pumpkin kayaking.
kayaking.
Oh.
Yeah, I remember this. I've seen this.
It's a
Bro, ये
Canadian
American
sport.
को उनको बहुत
भोपले
No, this is Nova Scotia. So this is
भोपले।
Canada.
भोपले।
Canada.
भोपले को बोट बनाया. मैं भोपले का
It's bro, it's almost like the one guy for Halloween bought it and then suddenly they're like, अरे बहुत बड़ा है क्या करें एक काम करते हैं इसके अंदर बैठते हैं और फिर इससे अपन kayaking करते हैं like wow dude public के पास
एक
इतना
second.
time है to make up shit
तो इन लोग का बोट पम्पकिन है और इन लोग का लाइफ बोट क्या वाटरमेलन है.
Bro, क्या sports है रे? Man versus horse marathon.
Yeah.
Horse के साथ क्या कर रहा है यार?
Dude, for a second I thought you said man versus horse. ठीक है एक किक पड़ेगा ना हॉर्स का तू मैन नहीं रहेगा तू डेड मैन हो जाएगा.
नहीं बट
अगर जॉन विक देखी है तो उसमें यूज करता ना.
Please read the name.
Oh God.
Mud pit belly flopping.
So just bang your. Oh God, this is heavy.
अरे वो worm, is it that the worm जो करते थे ना उन लोग?
How does it matter
On your
what it
stomach,
is?
Yeah, the thing is, it must be super tough because it's in a mud pit, so you're not going to get the grip that you would get from a flat ground. You're going to constantly
Achha.
slip.
But one second, just to go back to man versus horse marathon, it's got a really interesting backstory. Okay, so man versus horse marathon was started in Wales. Okay, it was created out of a classic argument over human limitation and potential. The race's inventor Gordon Green overheard two men arguing that a human could keep pace with a horse when traversing the country. So he created a 35k race, roughly 35 kilometers, roughly 22 miles, to test the theory. Runners, cyclists, horses all compete, and the race continues to grow in popularity. The purse for winning the near marathon length race continues to grow too. So
Wow.
ये सीन
ये एक bet से
Bro,
या
ये
एक argument से चालू है.
ये इंग्लैंड कुछ भी है बेसिकली सब स्कूल स्पोर्ट्स को उसने ग्लोबल स्पोर्ट्स बना दिए.
chin kicking.
काफी specific. You're not allowed to punch the face in this. Only kick the shin.
Okay, there's something called dog surfing, which is as cute as it sounds. It
And
is
quite self-explanatory.
yeah, it is just dogs on a surfboard, and it is the most beautiful thing I've seen. Like a photograph of it. If you can Google
तेरा
dogs,
कुत्ता नहीं रह पाएगा other surfboard पे.
Also there is a thing called fuck, what is it? Where did it go? It's basically dog dancing. Okay, so where they train the dog to dance
with the owner.
bro, और वो दो लेग पे ऐसा ट्रीट के लिए कुछ भी कर रहा है dude. It's damn sad to watch.
So this was included in the Winter X Games in 1997. So it involves sitting on a shovel, sitting on a shovel.
Sounds painful already.
हाँ, तो ये shovel ये है, तो तुम लोग ने नीचे रखा अपने shovel, and you're sliding down a slope, and who can slide down the slope the fastest?
Wow.
But this is not a sport. This is an accident that they
This is an
converted.
accident.
I'm just realizing more and more these weird sports are all sports that people have invented because they wanted a world championship at some point in their lives. So they were
So it's
like,
like when you invent, it's like when you invent records, right? Because you can't get one thing, so you make up one
Yeah,
of your
correct.
own to break. So इसमें public
Fastest typing with nose.
खुद के games निकाल रहे. But ये this one I found damn interesting. Okay, it's called Kaiju Big Battle.
Oh yeah,
Now guess
Oh,
the country it's from.
Japan.
Japan.
Yeah, good. Right. So now in this, it's basically a pseudo wrestling epic battle. Okay. Kaiju, which literally translates to strange beast, is a film genre featuring monsters. The characters usually wreck cities and fight other big monsters. Even the sport's choice to stick with the battle after an accidental misspelling of battle, BATTEL, is the spelling of this sport, which was a typo because that's not how battle is spelled. The name reflects the carefree, light-hearted nature of this hilariously costumed exhibition. So this is what it looks like.
Hey, basically, this is Pacific
me-
Rim without the CGI budget. Like,
Yeah.
that's
No,
what-
dude.
Yeah.
This
They have
is
to dress
Pacific
up
Rim
like
2.
kaiju.
this is the opening ceremony of the Beijing Olympic Games, dude. Like, I'm not understanding.
Okay,
Guys, what?
there's another sport, okay, called I might be mispronouncing this, but stay with me. It's called Bosa ball.
Oh, I've seen like videos of this, but this is like epic level sport. This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
football and
No, what is the
volleyball.
game called again?
Okay, Bosa ball. BOSSABALL.
Brazilian है ना ये?
Yeah, dude. So I read this out, and Siddhi was sitting near me. She's like, "What did you say?" I was like, "No, it's a sport."
It's not what you think it sounds like. Whereas everybody's heard what it sounds like. Baba say
So
No. I'm fine.
there is a place in Pune which is very close to whatever this sport is.
yeah.
So Bosa ball, originally from Belgium, is something like volleyball, except the ball can be kept in the air with any part of the body and can be hit up to 8 times by one team before it must go over the net. The sport is played between teams of 3 to 5 players on an inflatable with one giant.
Yeah, so it's like a
giant
jumping
trampoline.
jack type.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So they're on a trampoline and they're doing stuff.
But if they can use any part of their body, then why not use the hands, which are the most convenient?
So you can, but if you want to reach, like if something has you instinctively hit your foot and shit like that, it still works.
Yeah.
Head, where-
I just want to say that every time we do an episode of Internet Said So, my browser history for a week gets completely distorted.
Messed up.
Okay,
Yeah, because for once it's getting something else than newporn.com.
dude, I don't know. No, dude, I get such weird thing. Like, by the way, all of last week, or whatever week before last, I've only gotten subscribe to New York Times, subscribe to this, subscribe to this, subscribe to this. Some
Nice.
400 newspapers have sent
Yeah,
me.
say,
मैं
bro,
बोला मेरे को
न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स का बहुत आया मुझे, but I'll tell you, fuck, तूने क्यों ये निकाला अभी ये सुन मेरे साथ क्या हुआ? उस दिन मैं Amazon पे शॉप कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? So
personal
I
story.
want to get like a
Faster story,
photo like
finally.
hand vacuum. Okay, I want to get like a powered hand vacuum, छोटा वाला. तो उधर जो कंपनी है, कोई बर्गमैन जर्मन कंपनी है, उसका आया प्रोडक्ट, बेस्ट सेलर ये वो, और उसके नीचे एक डायलॉग बॉक्स है जिसके अंदर लिखा है, this will go perfectly well with your Hyundai Creta 1.6 XL automatic petrol. How the fuck does Amazon.com know that I have a Hyundai Creta automatic 1.6 XL petrol?
मैं जब रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करूंगा मैं तेरे को बताऊंगा कि ये
क्या कर
कैसे
रहा है
हो रहा है
बेजोस
क्या
के
कर रहा
पास
है
सब कुछ
बेजोस?
है,
ये
सब
ये
कैसे मालूम
नहीं
bro?
it's not Bezos dude this is not Bezos dude
Oh really Baba, it's not Bezos, he's
This
not
is Neville.
sitting in front of a laptop.
Neville
finding out
Neville
what
is
my
giving
car
out
is.
our information personally.
no this is
No,
not
this
this
is
is not
shocking. Like I've gotten messages like that, you know, when you've spoken about something a lot and it pops up as an ad. I've gotten that.
Yeah,
But this,
it's too specific.
how the fuck? How?
Because you've never said 1.6 anything in a conversation.
That yeah. No, and even bro, this is coming on Amazon. What conversation in Amazon? मेरे पास Alexa नहीं है घर पे. How are they? At no point in time I bought anything for the car where I had to write the model or
That's
the
not how
type
it
of
works.
car.
That's not how it works.
It must have seen it in my pictures and then just assumed.
No, it's dude. You send your car for service. Do you have stuff on Gmail that is
Yeah.
related to your car? Your car insurance number is on Gmail. There's tons of ways to possibly get it when you're
ये होना
when
चाहिए
you're sending.
export. ये होना चाहिए export. तो कैसे? How can you beat the algorithm?
You
Right?
can't beat the
Some people call
algorithm.
it, but
You
they're
have to
not showing you
literally.
the card.
You have
So
to
it's an
literally
extreme
be.
sport.
Yeah. You have to literally be off. Dude, it's not even there's a central server which shares all data. I mean, first party data is slightly difficult to get, but it's there. It's available for everybody to use. Yeah.
Yeah,
साले बहुत specific है इन लोग ये time
there's
के
people
साथ.
who live in the Sundarbans, dude, who have no access to internet and they're still getting ads. Do you want a tiger repellent?
They're
The
only.
people in the
Oh,
Sundarbans
great.
getting message,
The
hey,
trees
you want
around
this
you.
forest essentials? They're like, you
Yeah.
need essentials.
I love how that
Ah.
became a. This was a sporting fact.
Okay. So moving on from Bosa Ball.
Guys, I think Mumbai driving is also a extreme sport. Just
Yeah.
like,
I
because-
thought
Actually,
Mumbai
the-
driving was an extreme sport until I went to Kanpur. Okay.
No, NASCAR है वो NASCAR.
वो next level. Next level.
Off-roading वाला. The thing is, the sport in Bombay should be not driving, but driving and not being controlling yourself from giving gali.
Yeah.
yeah.
That is an extreme sport. ठीक है, तू गाड़ी चला लेगा, लेकिन तू A point से B point तक जाने में कुछ तो ऐसा होगा ही. भले वो खड्डा हो, दूसरी गाड़ी हो, इंसान हो, एक पिजन हो, कुत्ता हो, कुछ भी, कोई ना कोई तेरे मुंह से गाली निकलवाएगा ही.
Yeah.
कौतुक तूने
चाहे-
ये क्या किया सडनली ऐसे भी?
ये
क्या
cat
कर?
cat दिखाने का.
क्या है बिल्ली?
इधर है कैट.
तूने
Camouflage.
अरे
Oh, there it is. अच्छा.
कौतुक तूने सिद्धि को मेटामॉर्फिस कर लिया है.
Siddhi is who she truly wants to be.
नो नहीं वो अपना डिजाइन लोग करेगा.
तुम कर क्या आया उधर से?
Oh fuck, you know, there's
Classic.
rock paper scissors is also considered a sport now.
But rock,
Yeah.
paper, scissors, Spock.
No,
Yeah,
it's
so
rock,
the childhood
paper,
game which is
scissors,
known
Leonard
as-
Spock.
Leonard
It's
Spock.
called
Not Leonard,
Janken
sorry.
in Chinese.
Leonard?
Sorry, wait.
Not
wait, wait.
Leonard. It's rock, paper, scissors, something Spock.
What is
What is-
something? ये कौन सा है? ये तूने
Big Bang
Big Bang
Theory
Theory का एक
उसका
वर्जन है. मेरे पास
version है.
टी-शर्ट है उसका है, bro. I can't remember it. Rock, paper, scissors,
Lizard.
something Spock.
Lizard
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 Spock. Lizard Spock.
whatever that means. But rock paper scissors, which is known as Janken in Chinese, has now across the world become a very serious league. Like they have the rock paper scissors league, and they have a national champion. ये सब चाइना में हो रहा है.
But we don't talk about Chinese games. Let's.
ये भी Chinese निकला game.
Achha, there's something called cycle ball, where you have to ride your cycle and you have to use only the wheels of the cycle to hit the ball.
Oh, nice. New.
हाँ ये हम लोग
Madness.
भी खेला है, bro. ये
हाँ.
हम लोग खेला है.
ये बचपन में बिल्डिंग में खेलते थे फुटबॉल के साथ टाइम पास
Yeah.
करते.
Yeah.
But-
क्योंकि हम लोग को साइकिलिंग भी करने का और फुटबॉल भी खेलने का 2 घंटे में, तो
Correct.
साइकिल बॉल.
So
और उसके
football,
बीच में बैडमिंटन भी.
football
dude,
is an interesting game as it is, but there's another one I found called fireball, where the
yeah.
football is set on fire. And
Bro, this was a game na, that they made on Friends.
yeah,
Oh, that was
yeah.
called
Really?
Ultimate Fireball. Ultimate Fireball.
fireball.
Yeah, it
This
was called Fireball, I remember.
Fireball is going to be so bad for Messi because the ball just sticks to his feet. Fucking
Yeah.
stuck for it.
This is the only way to
Yeah.
encourage passing between players as fast as
Yeah.
possible.
Tiki Taka क्या fast
Yeah.
होएगा dude? Fuck.
तू वो छोड़, लेकिन अभी तेरा डाइनी ड्रिंक वाटर अगर मिडफील्ड में है तो वो पानी डालता रहेगा उसपे और आग बुझाता
No, but
रहेगा.
वो
तो-
drink
अबे
water.
वो drink water है, not spray water.
अरे
Speaking
फिर
of
भी.
drink water.
But you know, guys, I also feel that nowadays, like when you have only these first-person shooter games, right? लेकिन जैसे अभी मैंने PUBG Mobile Finals host किया, ठीक है? मैं गया देखने के लिए. And for the first time, I saw, bro, there were like 16 teams, and these are hardcore teams who train for months. They have boot camps. You know, there's a coach. There's proper strategies and shit that people apply. Like, you know, something that you would look at from the side and be like, ah, frivolous hai. But when you actually get into it, or I see my brother every night, bro, क्या पागल जैसे खेलते हैं. They are so into it, and they plan strategies in the evening. Even all the other games, COD Bowl, to whatever other first-person shooter games are there, it's pretty much a sport.
Dude,
दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है. It's not just mindless shooting.
Bawa and Azim hosted one tournament, right? A FIFA tournament. So at the end of it, they had a guy who was a pro level player who played against the winner of the tournament. And this guy, right? He's ranked. Like he's a FIFA pro ranked player. And it was so fascinating to hear him talk about it, dude. Like, because he had a strategy about how to score, how to defend, shit like that. And Azim was playing, whose strategy was button the ball.
And Azim is good. And Azim is good.
Pretty good, right?
Azim is good.
Azim is good, but dude, FIFA pro player, dude. तू क्या बोल रहा है? क्या पूछ रहा है?
The world ranked player on like.
No, but who was
नहीं
he
नहीं,
playing?
India ranked.
Azim.
India
Let's
ranked.
name
Who
Azim.
was he playing?
Azim.
So Azim was in the final or what?
Yeah,
Like,
Azim
that
won
was-
Azim won. Azim won the comics tournament, and then he had to play the FIFA pro player. तो और वो FIFA pro player मस्त ऐसा chill करके खेल रहा है, bro.
Good,
He's
so
not
good.
even.
So good. And you know, when the pro guy was playing, it almost looked like real football. Like if you just forgot that you were watching computer generated imagery, you would really think that this is Man United playing, because they were always passing back and shit. It was crazy.
You know,
Adar, don't laugh at football jokes. You don't know football. Adar, don't laugh at football jokes.
No, but everyone knows Man United is now resurging, but half the season.
अरे ब्रो अभी तो वार्ड आज अभी गेम है उन लोग का 12:30 बजे.
अपने तुम लोग क्या लगता है? I think we should invent some game, because
No,
like there was this movie, I don't know if you
invented one.
remember back in the day there was this movie, the American movie called Basketball.
Yeah.
Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Basketball, where they combine the rules of basketball and baseball. And
By the way,
I
Varun,
think that was
you
a
guys
commentary.
don't realize this, but you guys have invented a game. It's called Don't Come Last.
Yeah, but like there was some this that
Okay,
can
some
be
amount of invention that, but I think it was the guys from South Park who did it. And
when I saw that game that you guys had on Don't Come Last, जिधर बैट के ऊपर ऐसे सिर रख के घूमने का था, bro, मेरे को देखते देखते चक्कर आया वो गेम.
Bro, क्या जीता था मैं, वो याद है कि नहीं तेरे को वो गेम?
मैं match
So for those of you who have not seen
Kautuk just fell.
Amazon,
Kautuk didn't even get to the match
on
problem.
Amazon Prime, it's called Don't Come Last, in which there was a game where you have to put your head on a bat, take 10 rounds around it. Then there's a whiteboard which has a multiplication table on it that you have to go and solve. And whoever does it faster wins. That's the thing.
This is our version of chess boxing.
Yeah, it's our version. Bro, बाप था उसमें, मैं बहुत फटा किया, but Kautuk's part in that is
the
in history
best.
book. Because never has the
He's
promo
like
of
a
us
deer.
looked funner or better, because literally Kautuk has done 10, woken up, realized the chakkar hai, and has gone
fallen
sideways.
out of the set. He's gone out of the set and fallen on the floor.
Dude, I don't even blame you all. Bro, मेरे को
Wow.
देखते देखते चक्कर आया वो, bro. I'm so
I-
glad I was not part of it.
I just realized.
Isn't this the one where Kautuk had to dress up and drag when he lost? Is this the episode
I have
where
no
he had to?
idea.
No,
I've
Kautuk had
blocked
to
it
get
from my
shaved.
memory.
Huh.
But if you do the back spinning thing, you will win competitive sleeping. Trust me.
Yeah, that's the best
So,
way to get it.
20 second में out.
Yeah.
Dude, it was
Best.
crazy.
You know, you think Takeshi's Castle can be counted as under sport?
Dude, there is a
It's
show right now on Netflix called Floor is Lava.
Yeah, but it's quite boring
Yeah.
because
It's a
like
bad show. I mean, it's
it's
not
just-
well done, but
But therefore, Kautuk has watched every episode of it because it
I
is a
saw one
bad show.
episode because it was just too interesting a title to not click one episode.
click once. Yeah.
But Takeshi's Castle ka speaking, there's one game which comes from England, obviously, and has been going on for 200 years.
Oh no, what is it?
It's
Jousting.
It's
Colonialism.
it's called cheese rolling. So
Oh,
somebody
yeah.
takes the tire of cheese and rolls
Yeah.
it down the hill, and the participants have to run
Ah.
down the hill as fast as possible
and make a pizza.
that is extreme pizzaing. That's very different.
Yeah. But
And they have
this
to
is
catch the cheese. And the speed is what's scary. The speeds of the cheese reach about 110 miles per hour.
correct.
So there's a lot
Correct.
of injuries involved.
And when you are playing
lot of
this, yeah, and when you're playing this game, your life is going downhill. Available on Amazon Prime.
ये सब कर रहे हैं क्या?
Italy में एक sport है called Calcio Storico. Okay, you have to take off your helmet pads, replace grass with sand, and introduce fighting to the field. Welcome to the strange sport of Calcio. This wild game consists of 27 players on each team.
Oh,
You know shit's hitting the ceiling when 27 players are on either side,
either side.
right? And they're pretty much allowed to brawl. We're talking full on tackling, kicking, punching. Players aren't even allowed to sub a fresh guy if someone gets hurt. इसका फोटो देख, सिर्फ मारामारी कर रहे हैं लोग.
Oh, that
Okay.
is-
This is a great thing right now since we're doing like we're in the lockdown. This is called bed racing. Okay. And
Bed
it's been going on since
This sounds like a masturbation game.
No, it's it's been around since 1965 and is open only to Army, Navy, and Marines. Okay, and the competition is, but today the competition is open to all. It started out like that. Each team is a team of 5, and they have to make a bed in line with the theme of the year. And each bed has to have 4 wheels and it can float. It is a 3-kilometer race. So one of the 5 members has to be on the bed while the other 4 push the bed, and they have to go through water, and they have to
This is
complete
the
it.
worst. This is the
Wow.
original. This is the original script idea for Cool Running.
Ah.
Wow, bro. And there's another sport called Buzkashi. Buzkashi is a horse riding competition played in Central Asia, Turkey, and Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, and Tajikistan. Okay, and it has basically, you are on horses, right? Except you have to replace. You're not playing polo. You have to replace the ball with a goat carcass.
What
Wow.
the hell?
Hey,
The
listen,
competitors carry whips in their teeth to fend off other riders as they try to get the carcass to the opponent's
Oh
side.
yeah,
and
this is
drop it
one sec.
in a
Isn't this like a Mongolian or an Afghanistanian
मैं अभी क्या
Turkmenistan?
हिब्रू में बात कर रहा था बाबा, सुना नहीं? ये देख,
नहीं मैं देखा नहीं.
वो
हाँ, because
घोड़े
I've
के
seen this.
साथ
I've
एक
seen
दूसरे
this.
को carcass की एक दूसरे के हाथ से ले रहे हैं, bro. गोट
Yeah,
का
yeah, I've
carcass.
और
seen.
whip
No,
से
no,
एक
I've seen
दूसरे
this.
को
It's
मार
pretty
रहे हैं.
vicious.
It's a
You're-
okay.
It's a vicious sport.
Yeah, so from
By the
going
way,
from
when-
there of
when you home order food from Licious, that's how they get it.
Which, by the way, is Bap though. Very amazing food off of Licious.
Hey, you
not
know
a
what?
paid ad.
You know what? One thing that I'd like to see, and I would genuinely watch this on ESPN if it happened. I would love to see a professional dumb charades league.
Oh.
Like I would pay to watch it. Like I'd want to go in a stadium and watch it. Like a proper
No, it's-
pro level.
मजा आता.
Maza,
Okay.
for sure.
Okay, this is the dumbest one I've seen so far. It is. I'm
Baba,
sorry.
is that symbolism? What is that?
Yeah, what is this?
What is this?
Cable
Paper
toss.
toss. But this is a very common thing, right? Like you actually
Yeah.
Scotland.
So have you seen? By the way, have you seen those guys who paint a building?
Yeah.
Paper toss for fun.
Yeah.
तो बैम्बू इधर से उधर फेंकता है और फिर वो ऐसा बना देता है ताकि
ब्रो वो पार्कोर कर रहा है क्योंकि मेरे इधर कंस्ट्रक्शन चालू इतने टाइम से एक तो नो हेलमेट पहनते नहीं कोई भी
Ah, it is no
Safety
safety,
harness.
man.
पहनते ही नहीं कोई भी
Yeah.
इन लोग पहनते हैं बनियान
Yeah.
और पैंट
Yeah.
और उन लोग चढ़ते हैं सीधा
Hmm.
एंड आई एम जस्ट लुक एट माय गाइस प्लीज वी आर कुछ तो पहन मेरे को ज्यादा डर लगता है उन लोगों को देख के ब्रो
मैं
दैट
तो-
शुड बी अ फकिंग स्पोर्ट
Yeah.
लाइक दे आर लाइक वो होता है ना फ्री क्लाइंबिंग होता है ना जैसे माउंटेन्स पे तो साइड में जो फ्री
Yeah,
सोलो
free solo, free solo.
फ्री सोलो ये अपने आधे बिल्डर की तो जो काम करता है फ्री सोलो ही है
Oh, that's what happens to all my aluminum foil tubes. It goes here.
अरे
Cardboard tube fighting.
ब्रो ये कुछ दो अलग ही दुनिया है ब्रो. On that note मेरे को तो लग रहा है खत्म करना चाहिए क्योंकि ये बहुत ही वरना
अच्छा चल
we will do a part 2.
एक नहीं वो do part 2.
We won't do part 2.
बंद करने के पहले बता एक स्पोर्ट बताओ जो इन्वेंट कर सकते हैं.
Ah.
एक एक अलग अलग स्पोर्ट चाहिए क्या अलग अलग.
Oh, I know. Getting onto a Dadar local at peak time.
Ah. Kadak
This is
sport.
fucking sport, dude. That's a
People
competitive
will watch
sport.
this. People will
That's
pay money.
That's
But
a competitive sport that exists.
The only thing with this sport is you can just play it in Dadar. You can't be like ये साल ऑस्ट्रेलिया होस्ट कर रहा है.
There's no- This is
सब इधर आ रहा है.
the World Championship.
इंडिया को पूरा टाइम होम एडवांटेज है. ऑस्ट्रेलियंस ट्राई कर रहे हैं.
Not just that, because the whole world is coming here for Dadar train. What are we calling it? Dadar train league. Because of that.
No, it's called
Dadar Train
window seat league.
Window seat league. So the thing is
सर
because
प्लीज एडजस्ट कर लो लीग.
so now the Dadar train is even more crowded because the whole world is
So you
come here.
know what the beauty of the window seat league is? No matter what day, when it happens, wherever it happens, whatever happens, there will always be at least 1 million spectators.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, we have an absolutely full crowd today. Crazy turnout.
None of them have bought tickets.
And every day.
None of them have bought tickets.
None of them have bought.
Everybody is trying to get into first class.
You know,
And the sportsmen compete together. Because as you see, we have one other station and only one local.
Commentator वहाँ पे commentator बैठा है. 3 commentator है तो चौथा वाला आके ऐसे ही बैठेगा. बोले सर प्लीज एडजस्ट. बैठ जाएगा.
पर मेरे जॉस दर्द कर रहे हैं. हाँ. चल दूसरा स्पोर्ट. सबको एक एक करना है. कौतुक ने दिया दादर स्टेशन एक्सप्रेस लीग.
window seat league. Please call it by
Window
one.
seat league. Sorry.
Window seat league.
WSL.
I think drunk dancing. You have to have 17 shots and then not look stupid while dancing. This is a sport exclusively reserved for building uncles. So it can only be played.
और ये स्पोर्ट में ना ऑडियंस because you're anyway behaving like the audience would if you
Yeah.
did well. So here the audience has to be very like.
Dude, guys, I'm not inventing this, but there is a reality show in Japan that I've just discovered. I've not just discovered it, like I just checked up on it again. There is a reality show in Japan which airs on television. Okay.
Bro, let me guess. Is this the one where you have to make a guy come really fast and whoever comes fast loses?
That's only part of it.
I think that was the first.
Part of it.
No, but that's a game. Even I read about.
That's a game.
So wait, the thing is,
That's a part of it.
that's
There's
part of
more.
it.
Part of it.
There is more. So the contest is it's actually a singing competition.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's a karaoke competition.
Oh, no.
You're singing
Oh, no.
and there is a girl or guy or both or something like that jacking you off. Okay. And the thing is there are judges also who are watching
Judging
this.
your singing.
And it's all on like it's obviously
National TV.
what's it checkered out and all of that jazz, but it's there. And the joke or the high point is when you miss the note when you come.
Oh, so it's how to hit the note while.
Yeah.
Wait, so this is such a layered game.
This is
It's
the worst.
So layered. It's so layered. Like they don't have any layers, firstly. But they have
No, they're fully clothed. No, it's the
Oh,
weirdest.
Dabba, I've
game.
seen some clips of like there's a box. There's a box that is
They've
covering
hidden
person's
the
crotch.
thing and
Ah.
the
Bro, you know, usually when singing competitions run out of ideas, they come up with like couples, little champs.
no, or they
Japan
add
said,
or
"Fuck
they
this."
or they add a team called Parvane.
Parvane, Mastane,
Parvane,
Anjane,
Mastane.
exactly.
Oh
Japan's
God,
like,
this would
"Nahi,
be such a bad show hosted by Annu Kapoor.
Hey, it was a good show, bro. It's a good show.
Nay, this one. If Annu Kapoor was hosting the Japanese show, that would be very awkward.
No. So they had Parvane, Anjane, then they were like, what do we do? Okay, come Jane.
Ah. Okay,
On
this is
that
a very.
note-
This is very.
On that note, we will climax this episode.
This has come to an end. This has come to an end.
Done.
All right.
Yeah, so that's
This
it
is-
for this episode of the Internet Set. So these were some strange sports that we found online. If you know of any other sports, please let us know in the comments. I think we should all invent. I think we should invent some more sporting ideas. So if you have any fun ideas, let us know. Maybe we'll make a video about it. Like this, we can actually do, right?
Except
Like
for the-
we get
except for the
suggestions
last
of
one.
like.
I am
strange
not
sports
doing
to
that. I
invent.
am not doing window
Why
seat
not?
league. I
By
am
the
not
way-
doing window seat league.
I
One-
did that 3 years of
I've
college.
done it.
I
Yeah,
can't do.
exactly. I'm done. I'm done.
There's one more sport I've been playing for a long time. Okay, I'll tell you what the sport is. Every time I get on a plane, okay,
Pocket billiards.
fighting for the armrest.
Ah.
Okay, that is a motherfucking competitive sport. 2 people, 1 armrest. Let's go.
There's also
Great sport.
a competitive sport, but it's pretty much a competitive sport with you and the prop or the equipment that you're using. It's
Is it
called
from Japan?
trying to wash bartans in less than 40 minutes. Have you realized no matter how many bartans are there, it takes 40 minutes?
Yeah.
And no matter, and I'm going to repeat the joke. And no matter how many times you finish doing the burtons, they'll magically reappear.
Yeah. Dude, the thing is, and I realize why that's happening. Even if there are 3 buttons, then you get carried away saying, "Jaldi khatam ho gaya." तो मैं गैस और प्लेटफॉर्म भी साफ कर देता है
हाँ,
तो
वो तो
वैसा
करना है।
करके 40
ज्यादा
मिनट
काम
तो
कर रहा है ना वो, खाली
I love-
बर्तन नहीं हुआ ना
I
फिर।
love how this
वो
is the
तो
real part
every-
of Neville's personality. Like it's dark jokes and Bartan advice. Like
It's just a lot
As
of
always,
homemade. Lot of homemade.
As always, Kautuk has been surprised again by
Again.
my ability. But most importantly, guys, we've forgotten one thing completely. If you are in North America,
yeah, the ultimate sport.
we are going to
2
be,
teams.
Varun and I are going to be taking on, not taking down, taking on
Kaustubh and
Kautuk and Adar.
So we're doing a
uh,
new show called Takedown, as you're already aware. The show's going to have stand-up. It's going to have us roasting things. And there's also a special game that we are going to be playing with you, the audience. And the winning team, by the way, you get to judge who wins and loses. And the winning team gets to punish the losing team. So there's lots of fun to be had. Neville better start writing jokes because we cannot lose this.
Absolutely.
Tickets are on Insider. There's links in
Varun,
Kautuk, I'm calling you.
YouTube community
Kautuk,
page.
I'm calling you.
So
1 second. Varun, you already lost this when you said, Neville, you have to write jokes.
Yeah.
No, don't worry, Kautuk, I'm calling you to write the jokes.
yeah. This is our
Who's
pre-game trash talk section. But yeah, please go buy tickets. We have limited capacity and almost 50% of the tickets are already gone. The show is on the 25th of July. It's going to be at some point of time in the afternoon for you guys in North America. For us, it's going to be post midnight. So that's going to be fun.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, that's it from this
It's
episode.
way past.
Thank you so much for watching. And please buy the tickets. And also, don't forget what we said earlier. Please be nice people and don't give abusive threats online or anywhere, even in person. Do not do it, please.
Yeah. Unless you're playing shin kicking.
Hold up.
Everybody wear black. Nobody tell Bawa.
ये 100% comments में आ रहा है bro मैं बोल रहा हूँ